There's no better way to add a warm, exotic feel to your home than with a banana tree. When potting your banana tree for indoors, simply ensure your pot has drainage holes and is 1 to 2 sizes bigger than it is currently in. After potting your banana tree, place it in front of a sunny window. Bananas love food and water. At least once a month during growing season, give your plants a well-balanced citrus fertilizer. This can be found on fastgrowingtrees.com. Prune away any damaged or dead leaves to ensure healthy growth. It takes around 9 months for your tree to mature and produce fruit. During that time, your banana tree may grow smaller plants around its roots. These are called pups. Remove them early on to allow the roots energy to concentrate on the main stalk. When transitioning your banana tree from indoors to outdoors and out to in, keep in mind they need a minimum of 6 hours of full sunlight, but they don't like extreme heat and are sensitive to wind. Planting alongside a wall or beside evergreens where they'll have afternoon shade is ideal. Banana trees planted in groups of 3 will yield the best harvest. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the pot the tree is in and just as deep. Backfill the hole and tamp it down. Then give the tree a slow drink of water. Follow these steps and you'll be sure to enjoy your banana tree for years to come.